Just go ahead and pull it out, get rid of that box there. So when you open this blind up, you're gonna find the boot bag, which has a zipper portion. Then you're gonna have the 2 doors, which actually fold in half. You got 2 fiberglass stakes in here. When you open this blind up, you'll see that there's a seat. It's held together with Velcro, and there's 2 adjustable straps. So we'll undo these and just flip back the seat over the headrest. And what we're looking for here is this 1 bar. So the way that we're gonna adjust this is actually with these little push pins. It's a tethered push pin, so you don't have to lose them out in the field. So let's just go ahead and get this bar where we want it. You'll notice that it's kind of gusseted here in these back corners. Just get it there. And then we're gonna go ahead and flip the seat over. And before we tighten everything down, there's actually a storage compartment back here. So you'll notice there's zipper back here. It's a great place to put your blind bag, snacks, treats. But this bar that we were just talking about is adjustable. You'll see these holes. You've got your pin. I'm gonna put mine on the 2nd highest setting. Just go ahead and find that hole. Lock it in place on both sides. The material's gonna be tight. Might be a little hard, just take your time. It's okay, just make sure that this bar is here in these corners. If it's right, it's gonna be easy. Just go ahead and find that hole, and then we're good. All right, let's zip this back. Now we're done adjusting that. Go ahead and lock these support straps that we referenced earlier. I like mine pretty tight, just so I can sit up a little bit. And we'll fold down that seat right where it needs to be. And then there's a bar here by where your knees would be. And you're just gonna simply wrap this Velcro around that bar. Now it can't go anywhere. This blind is holding itself up. No pins, no nothing. Outside of the adjustable headrest, we've got those locked in. All you have to do to get this blind in a hunting position is tighten down the corners. There's gonna be adjustable strap with the webbing on each corner of the cockpit. Tighten it down, and you're ready to go. So now that you've got your blind ready to go, you've got your headrest adjusted, you've got the bar by your knees deployed, you got your backrest in the position that you want it in, and you got all 4 corners tightened down, you're ready to go. We're ready to pack it up for the next day. All we have to do is loosen up this webbing. There, we're gonna pick our seat up, undo these straps, pull this bar down, put that back in its position. It's gonna go here, undo 2 points of Velcro on the knee portion of this blind, fold that bar in. Once you've got your blind folded down, now all we have to do is close our doors. We're gonna fold the boot bag section first, then the top section where your head would be, and you're gonna find straps on the bottom of the boot bag section that are for the straps that are attached to the shoulder straps. We're just gonna strap them, tighten that up. Go to the next one. Should be one here. Here we go. That's tightened down. Go ahead and put it on. All your brush is going to be inside of the blind, not on the outside, so you don't have to worry about the wind blowing it off. It's got this nice chest strap. Hopefully your hands are going to be full of birds. Your hands are free. Super lightweight, super easy, super low profile. It's the Higdon Quick Draw layout.